Want to add storage and style without cluttering your floor space? Floating shelves are the perfect solution, and today I'll show you exactly how to install them step by step. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of installing floating shelves, from choosing the right spot to getting a sturdy and polished finish. Even if you've never done this before, you'll be able to follow along with confidence. Definition: a floating shelf is a wall-mounted shelf that doesn't show visible brackets or supports. It creates a clean, modern look while providing functional storage. Why importance? Floating shelves are not only space-saving, but also elevate the look of any room. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even the bathroom, they make the area more organized and stylish without taking up floor space. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Measure and mark the wall where you want the shelf to go. 2. Use a level to make sure your markings are straight. 3. Locate the wall studs for secure installation. 4. Drill pilot holes into the studs. 5. Attach the mounting bracket firmly to the wall. 6. Slide the shelf onto the bracket and secure it in place. 7. Double check for stability before decorating. Tools explained. You'll need a measuring tape, pencil, level, stud finder, drill, screws, and of course, your floating shelf kit. Workflow: start by planning and marking. Then move on to drilling and mounting the bracket. Finally, attach the shelf and test it. Keeping this workflow makes the process smooth and ensures a strong result. Quick tips: always check for studs. Drywall alone won't hold heavy weight. Use a level at every step to avoid crook shelves. Pre-drill your holes to make screwing easier and prevent wall damage. Don't overload the shelf, distribute weight evenly. Cost comparison: hiring a handyman for installation can cost anywhere from $50 to $150 depending on the number of shelves. Doing it yourself will cost only the price of the shelf and basic tools, saving you a significant amount. And that's it, your floating shelves are installed and ready to use. This simple project can instantly upgrade any room and give you stylish storage at a low cost. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY home improvement guides.